Now let us move to the first body which we have created, and before moving to the upper part, you can see it's divided into two sections. Okay, 50% is a strainer and another 50% is the cap. All right, the strainer will be having holes over here, and it will be threaded to the cup, and it will itself have threads inside it. All right, for the cup to be seated on it. So I'll just first of all save this as strainer and press OK. I'll just open the strainer separately, and in the front view delete the bottom parts. So let us assume that this strainer is at least 50% of our entire top section. So I'll just go to the front view, and I'll just draw a center line dividing the block into two halves, and from there I'll just remove material. So this will be our strainer. I'll save it, close the cup blender as well, and close the blades as well, close the gasket as well, then the motor blender. Coming back to the assembly, now I'll just go to assemble, and in session I'll just pull up the strainer, and I'll just go to default constraint. Now let us just activate the section view and see what's happening over here. So I think I've already created a wall, okay, which coincides with the what do you call, the wall of the strainer, right? So firstly I need to remove certain material at that region. How do I do it? I simply have to revolve it. Firstly I need to activate it, open the model tree, go to the front view, turn on hidden. All right, and I'll just go to revolve again, select the front, go to center line, and just select this region, go to references and delete the external references, zoom out, press Ctrl T, and just press OK. So remove material option is automatically selected. So you can see the strainer is getting seated in the in the cavity of the cup. All right, now it's basically a part which has holes in it. All right, so firstly I'll just try to create a upper region. I'll just try to create this section. So I'll just reactivate this part, and I'll just go to front view, and I'll just go to revolve, add a center line, and I'll just remove this region of part. So this will be my what do you call the threads for the cap to sit on it. All right, so I'll just pause the video. In the next video we'll be creating the internal features of the strainer.